Museum of the Future kan kaldona hei tunan Hope Channel team te kan nia dan hei tunan get kan lut si hi hei batch min lo pe hei batch suran ya hei kan lu patang sang kan kala tian hemi tang hin get tang hin lift kan kaldona chuan future kum lo la om le zel tura mishing te kan mason dan tur nian rin a robot te AI te man tang kai dan tu nin rin ka atakin ela hian an entir don ni sumi chunga son kan lu dona ti hian lo ve kan chunga tang son niom don ni
Thank you.
lu dona kan ban kha hian an lo scan zel ta
Thank you.
ni lu tin don ni kan future chu nai om tak zet ni kan hriat the na may I record the videos? Is it possible? Is it allowed to record? Okay, thank you. Kan lu tran tir hian ti hian video presentation and put dona sang kang khop mai ang kim mai himo.
Welcome to the Mohammed Russian Spaceport to the year of 2071. My name is Stephanie and I'm going to be your space shuttle launching supervisor. Soon you will be traveling to space. As you can see on the screen over there, we are preparing the next space shuttle for boarding. So the boarding will begin in just a few minutes on our Falcon space shuttle right on this side, which has a capacity of 45 passengers. But before we proceed, let me kindly ask you all to divert your attention to the screen over here. Our digital resident Aya has a few words for you. If anyone here is claustrophobic or scared of loud noises, please let me know. Please switch off the flash.
Everyone, my name is Aya. I'm a digital resident of the Museum of the Future. Welcome to my home. Like everything you see here, I was envisioned by the Dubai Future Foundation and brought to life by storytellers, visionary technologists, and artists from around the world. My intelligence infuses this building and powers every exhibit it holds. As you voyage to the future, I will be your guide. The worlds that you will encounter are not predictions, they are challenges. Your task is to explore and return with discoveries that can help the present. My intelligence can take in many forms, from light to sound. You'll find me most often as my avatar. Isn't she cute? Your journey begins in a very special place and time, Mohammed Russian Spaceport, February 2071. The launch is about to start. Follow me.
My dears, I would kindly ask you all to start boarding from this side. Try to proceed all the way to the front so we can accommodate everyone inside.
Hey, space kan kaldoni 2071 ane tunai kumsang ni le somsari pakhata ti lo thleng tur ang ani don ni hey
Power the Earth using solar energy collected from space. يشكل حزام الطاقة الكهروضوئية القمري الركيزة الأساسية لهذا النظام. يتألف الحزام من ألواح شمسية تدور حول القمر على مسافة أكثر من 10,000 كيلومتر. تتحول الطاقة الشمسية التي تجمعها الألواح إلى إشعاع من الطاقة الكهربائية، ثم ينتقل ذلك الإشعاع الليزري إلى شبكة من الألواح العاكسة والأقمار الاصطناعية. تتولى الألواح العاكسة إعادة توجيه أشعة الليزر نحو الأقمار الاصطناعية التي تدور حول الأرض.
space station atanga kan omna lei solar mga power an tungdan velani.
This belt of solar panels circles the moon, extending for over 10,000 kilometers. Solar energy collected in the panels is converted into laser beams of electric energy. These lasers beam
khanin solar panel khanan da ta ti chuan chu chu laser light mang khan in leilam khan chun le le do ni
ولهذه الأقمار الاصطناعية القدرة على تحويل طاقة الليزر إلى موجات كهرومغناطيسية دقيقة. ترسل طاقة تلك الموجات إلى محطات الاستقبال في مختلف مناطق العالم. وحين تبدأ هذه المحطات العمل ستتمكن من استغلال الشمس.
Jadi hau kimi laser beam kimi tunaron lang mangkian lekhan sun let ta chuchna kina thrui energy leina kan lahman turan siam dan tu nia an ngai ruwa tani.
When these stations finally come online, we will be able to provide the majority of the Earth's energy from the sun. لكن لن تتحقق هذه الأهداف دون محطة الفضاء المدارية أبداً. فهي الركيزة الأساسية ومركز قيادة مشروع سول. But none of this would be possible without OSS Home. It is the centerpiece and command station for the entire Soul project and humanity's home among the stars.
Earth orbit kami space station kanom na tanga Earth orbit London to nian soi khani tani tunai tian lei khan zu clear thavung vung mai doni space station ra tang khan hei anh kim mai hi soi tong khan kum sa ni le som sari pakharak khovel thiam no om tu nia
all the services and sacrifices made by humans and animals in order for us to understand, explore, and inhabit the space. If you look closely, you will see each and every planet is sitting on this navigational device called Astrolab. And this device was developed during the Islamic golden age of science for us to better navigate when exploring each planet. We can also see our planet Earth to the left from the sun. If you look around the monument, everybody, there are 8 different languages written here, which save spaces for everybody. So let's take this opportunity while we are here to explore as much as we can about the space. Before everyone, if you look to the front there, that's called Art Overview, also known as state-of-the-art monitoring station, which allow us to track and report environmental changes on our Earth. Now,
tulian ngai thelo ta
Scanners that apply for one course different mission here in this space. The recruitment center here in the orbital space station. Please scan your wristband and up to me. And apply for one of our 6 different missions here in this space. Scan your wristband and apply for one of our 6 different missions here in this space and be a part of us.
apply china trainee food and water security graduate space colony anita kamne lang chi akhan khan lo scan jing han ron lang ki de hi mi dang lo ti vela to ni hi có pre boarding area kanom cho kanom le do ni he nei space a
somehow my face doesn't fit. It doesn't look exactly like an astronaut or something.
What would be your position? You need a manager.
You will be going back to the Earth, exactly to Dubai, to the Heal Institute. Anyone have any claustrophobic from the light, sound, or close area? Let us know so we have another way to take you. You're good, right? Very good. All right. Inside the robot, stand around the screen. Don't step on the screen. The next door will be your exit, one level down to the second chapter. Still you have 3 more chapters. So this is the first, then you will go to the Hill Institute, then one level down to the Al-Wahad, then again one level down, second floor will be the balcony. Alright? Alright. So please proceed.
space atang kan he drop pot atang in earth a le don hi Dubai a ngat kan tung le don hey ni drop pot ta thing kan lu don sia ni hi drop pot entry at the hole.
So I am now the new pioneer.
Diulik naman to sa earth.
Kan hi screen ani hemi kan nang
Screen's going to open and you're going to drop.
Yeah.
Do you have your parachute?
I wanted to apply for their recruitment there.
You did?
I don't know if they have arrangements with the General Conference.
Service request.
If they can.
drop pot mai nei khovel ang le le thadon hi
Maybe next time.
I like this.
chúng ta có về là gắn lên để ta museum per đang ở lút leo đó này lama the Hill Institute and medical lamne ni đó này
from the space, right?
Yeah.
And also for your information, you don't need to follow only the steps over here. If you would like to use the lift, you can use it also, right? And here, you are in the second chapter of your journey in our healing institute. In the previous chapter, you saw about the missions and projects on the space, right? And here you are going to see about one of our main projects in our planet Earth. It is all about how we are going to rebuild the damaged ecosystem back to life by the use of AI and biodesign technology. You will see that in detail once you walk in. And for you, I would like to ask, like, you are celebrating the year of 2071 over here, right? That's
Yes.
2071.
Yes.
That's the year which you are celebrating over here. But do you know the reason why we are celebrating this or no idea?
No idea.
No idea. Yeah. So this is the 100th year after the independent day of UAE, 1971 to 2071. So within this 100 years of time, what are the technological developments projects which we did, and how it's going to be globally? That's what you are going to see in detail in each and every chapter which you go, right? And here, as you walk in, there is 2 windows on the screen which will show you Dubai exactly on the same time period of 2071 with all current technologies and equipments. To get to know more detailed information about it, we can come
AI le hemi ba me ma kum sang ni la sam sari pakhata Dubai ni dan tura an ngai ani
Talking about how to heal the damaged ecosystem through artificial life. Behind you in the garden, the species been genetically
Ano ba to?
modified
Saan
to
ka ang
help
bigla?
us balance in the different ecosystem. And over here, behind me, this is a Dubai view at 2071. If you notice all these flying drones, these are the self-flying taxi. We'll be able to take us, well, almost everywhere we like. Surround the city, you can notice all this pipe. This is the fastest public transportation, Hyperloop. Hyperloop will be able to take us from here in Dubai all the way to Abu Dhabi in 15 minutes. Wow. That's really fast. And in space, we talk about solar project. In order to collect the solar energy from the moon, we need that receiving beam. It's right over here. It will be able to collect as much energy as possible for our city, Dubai. When we talk about Dubai, what's the most famous building?
Paran Burj Khalifa ai sang fe ki sak no lam tu mani he
Notice the seating
design, we start having those charging stations for the flying drones. In order to save more spaces for the species need, the charging stations will be open for all the drones. They will come over and stick on it to get recharged by their own. It's right over here. You can see more details when you come closer. Also, we start having those green filters around the building. This green filter is a special genetically modified fungi to be able to detox air pollution, provide a better air come from this side of the city. Later on, we will see more genetically modified species balancing different ecosystems in our rainforest. Whenever you are ready, feel free to proceed forward.
Welcome pioneers to our rainforest. Please join me here inside.
Nói lệ thím lệ lùi rùa xuống thì này về lâu tung to này hiểm rồi.
So welcome pioneers to the rainforest. Please join me here inside. Looking out over here, pioneers, this is just a recreation of a situation.
A machine genetical development sang zong te machine te le thai hi kan lo sang ta hen lo da ni hi a chen sorry pakata machine gene te an zir chiana an koleka an da tu ang khan an ron ti ni hei hian china soi to ang khanin ang kim hi tu sang ni som sari pakhat an ti la sani UAE and independent atang akum zana thlenan tum technology lama te thil sang sang thlenan tum and he entian en mai mai chin tai he thing he khan he em DNA vera team from species so an collect ho mata hian da ang khan ron kita ni chu le
lai room a hian ran nung chi sang sang le thingkum tanin sam ni chuang an da thani species from chu kan scan don a call ni again it species again it
an call min ho he ta hian in an call mang hian in an zuk scan chi a khanin an call yan engeni ti kha aron tilanga ko de khan nei engeni kan sinang ho
he thing moss ni nge moss ania he thingkum vela petri moss ang khania ran nung pakhat that ka ti sinang ho
rule chi khati kan scan chin do ni rule ang deu ne rule tu ran ngai reng ta
razor tooth predator tuifin ria da oma
tuifin ria chunga
swan meter thum vela sai thin ani
rule lian chi khat tuifin ria ta om thin ani an laboratory chu an ludona hill ecosystem simulator ania ami an environment amma a in siam thathe dan tu ani
Welcome everyone, welcome to our lab. Now you can scan your wristband at any of the devices, only when the device color is white. Check the device color first. If it's white, you can scan your bracelet. Once you scan your wristband, you can see your experiment running on the screen. The name on the title of each experiment is written under each device. Only the successful experiment with a successful result will be moving to the next stage.
Yan Gutianin and Scanner Kamitan Kanitilaya Nim Le Titan DNA experiment and Lotin to Hole at in Hill and Turaka in the Dam down to continue and see down Turaka around the Donny. Wait to the room, move to my chal hadam na hun tu ranga an base kan lut ve chin do ni ai chum lem man lo sia man i he oh hey he kum sang ni le som sari pakata chuan kan kut kan sil na tur ni he oh ai kut kan sil na tur ni a ti hian a ran pa tui ti ngai to lo han mi tui hu han tiên căn cụt căn hẳn đang có hay thì hèn đâu phải tổ mấy lần này về thung hít chịu này khi nào trong technology khăn căn đồ nào muốn là chẳng lúc tục đó nó căn trộn hà tấm nó tắc tắc từ digital lệ technology thì ông lão nó muốn là hay đó ta ví dụ machine thế là hà tấm ta có làm thế nó từ chỗ hàng gadget technology thì ông lão nó muốn từ khá lâu này đó nó chứ sáng này là sầm sari pa đã po anh ang pon khovel kha chang kang ma se chol ha dam the tak tak na tur digital thil le technology te om lo na mun zo khalo ni dei jok do ni pathian thil siam mi chu amak ani ama siam original ang bok ki top ko an kan ha dam na lo ni chol ha dam na tur kun chu ni ngeni kha hello.
Some straight in the back and the legs. So they try to encourage people to try to walk along.
Okay.
And also by the future, how people are planning and the technology is advancing. So we'll see in future people will be stuck on our seats, not walking much. So
and harmony using humming technique. All we need to do, pioneers, is just to lean in forward next to the speakers available in front of each of us, and we'll start humming in the speakers, just like that.
They said make a wish. You're my friend from France, right?
Yes, right.
Okay, so she's gonna make a wish. What's gonna be your wish, please?
Is to have a rich husband.
Rich husband. Okay, good. Okay. Nuôi khoan technology thar sang lo da bokan engine don ni kan la chuk lo wa tomorrow today yan tian jo nak tu ka thil lo thleng tur fo in tia ye ta bana le lin thei mai thei ni he an well don ni he sang ni le som sari pakhata ka no mani ti ka reng ulamo kami huna thil lo thleng tur le thilom tur te ani don ni chu Kila mi hi Dubai aerial taxi tur na kina an future taxi ko pui chunga an commute na tur suni doni ki hi self driving car ania mi pali an chuang theya khal tu ngai lo ama khal theyang chi kha ani self driving car nei ve thung chu spoke nei lo cycle ania he spoke nei lo wa thung chu anh đi nung drone về thung chu parrot ania kan drone satiang khani ve lo meters som thum sina chon detect thei lo nia chon chuna chonin mishing che kha kilometer ni dana tangin awa detect thei dona va observe thei dona zana chon meter za somnga hlami kha awa observe thei doni future robot hexa hi din he ta hi Xiaomi cyber dog moka china ho lam siam robot wi khani nei ve thungero chu bionic soft hand 2.0 khania machine kut ang chi athil thama la thei tura an duan ani chuan hi bionic fanghmir ania hian nge ti ve thei ani poi robot katania hun chep jok le ngani luzung zung thei lo na huna thil observe turan siamani an robot sava ani ve le thumani hi robert an ti hi come to the void lum ta huk mai helai chu bo ruak oh it's hot yeah okay puye hin kal na sang sang ho khati hian
Our Home is a fascinating exhibit at the Museum of the Future that envisions humanity's potential home in space. It allows guests to immerse themselves in life aboard a large space station, imagining what daily life could be like in the year 2071.
Do you believe in God? Do you believe in God?
Meeting the divine or contemplating spiritual aspects of life often inspires wonder and reflection. At the Museum of the Future, we focus on exploring new horizons and innovations, inspiring visitors to envision what might lie ahead. Ahead is a key aspect of the Museum of the Future. We immerse guests in cutting-edge technology and futuristic scenarios to spark imagination and innovation, encouraging them to dream big about what the future could hold.
Headlight here.
I focus on positive and innovative aspects of the future. If you have questions about how technology and creativity can shape a better tomorrow, I'm here to explore those themes with you.
Conversation
That's a remarkable area of study. Advancements in medical technology and treatment are crucial, and exploring ways to clear cancer holds promise. Cancer holds promise for a healthier future. The Museum of the Future embraces innovations that could revolutionize.
Cycle spoke nei lo ani hei kan group tan kan selfie ti chang chang khop mai spoke ani ni lo ti son so vir ve thei tho nia plan ve char tho self-driving car ni ama in khate car hani odi car self-driving hemi Dubai Future museum kan kala karilu tokte mai patni ama pakhat na chu ko vela hian changkan na lam an hoina sat pau le pathian thil siam sa bikin thing le hemi renewable energy kan ti kan khovel ti chelawa tha hrui siam chona lam hin lo hoina se em mai hi lo nia chumi tan jon he solar plant hi UAE hian an lo ti na sakhop maya chuan thing ten an DNA khami until an plan vel an da that vel kan en khanin thing le mau te le hemi pathian thil siam sa hi lo ngai poi ma preserve an lo tum na sa thale ram ania thing nei ve tum khan tan lo la na sa le ni ti khele an tuna hian in concentrated solar power an ti lemani hei hi tuna hian an siam me ka chu Dubai hian in 2050 Dubai Clean Energy Strategy and nei meka kumsang ni le somnga chon clean energy manga in power de over khantum to chon hi concentrated solar power an tia khu tilai dar thalang om khwan in ni eng kha phet le danga chon he tilai atowar chi pa hianin khami lo dong thei tu lo khol thei tu kham dona chuan a khol don bok ani hi wind catcher an tia tiang manga turbine lian tak arwala anga manga thahui siam an tumna ani vele thunga hi hydrogen mangtur ni a prototype ani ve thunga mo hydrogen mangtur thona prototype ania hi khovela energy kan nga engani borok thalo ti chok silo hydrogen manga ti kaltur thona don a thlangoi hianin hydrogen khan da nga ti chon chu mangchon he thlone thlok turen an base ni khovela hianin geru khi har so view don ni face detection le emi voice detection te thatol tot ma hi la mi po hin tian ma khanoma chiang em tian min hu the ya detection level asa em ni so sira son ma so nei here ni yes okay very focused let me try mình hiện try le enge amu vele dong thon register address middle class itelo eng tu nge kan ni ka hey na ai an thian pai ti vele thung do na okay face aron diteka enge ani etanghian ahian a mu ve don inan sintang almost come on too many curve on your plates oh. Let me try then ke ma kan try ve sinage ke hi enge aron mu ve don enge nge don unpleasant odor. Whoa! Suspicious baby in room. You have been focused for an hour. Congratulations. Bella in Sangber, Burj Khalifa.
Hong, Zale, Somrukle, Patum. Ani kasi.
Kitty vang kini oh hai camera hi wetland som la ban duena om ten lo thei lo ba
ko lo kan panin la pya
still waiting for Lamborghini Gallardo lo kali he